Precaution is always better than cure, as we all know this, right? But despite of taking all the necessary precaution and safety measure, you are tested positive for COVID-19. Back, I am Rajeshwari, and in this video we are going to talk about the diet plan, or in short, what should be the diet when you are tested positive for COVID-19, and especially if you are home quarantined, then what are the necessary things you want. And the foremost thing one need to do is, please don't panic. Okay, it's a natural tendency to feel little left out and have anxiety, but for every problem there is a solution, right? So please take a proper medication. Medical outcomes is your nutrition or the diet. So let's see how the nutrition or first and the foremost thing when you need to follow is, as soon as you wake up, that is the early morning, start your day with 1 glass of lukewarm water with some lemon in it and ginger. Even you can add a little bit of chia seeds and haldi. Okay, apart from that, even you can have 5 to 6 nuts, soaked nuts, that is almonds, walnuts and cashews as such. After that, 5 to 6 nuts, soaked nuts, that is almonds, walnuts and cashews as such. To that, your breakfast has to have one or the protein sources from either from the vegetarian or non-vegetarians. That is, you can include a glass of milk, you can have a paneer paratha, or you can have 2 egg omelets. A whole egg is always better, right? Okay, or any kind of vegetarian protein or non-vegetarian protein according to your preferences. With that, you should always have a good amount of carb also. That is, you can include all your regular breakfast items like poha, upama, dosa. Okay, you can include that, but don't forget to add protein in your every meal, because this will help for your speedy recovery. Okay, in the mid meals options, you can go for a coconut water, you can go for ORS solutions, or you can go for lime water, or even sometime in the fruit juice is also fine. If you are having lot of loss of energy, weakness, fatigue is there, then it's always better to have all these liquid options, because there is it's very much important to keep your hydration. So the lunch option is to be again the regular lunch, but you need to follow the same principle, like is your protein has to be there in your lunch also. It might be in a form of a curd or a buttermilk, or even a paneer, or a paneer paratha, or you can take paneer sabzi. If you are a non-vegetarian, then please go for a chicken curry or a fish curry, or you can even use egg curry as such. But don't forget to add your protein in lunch also. With that, you can have a chapati or a bhakri. It's always better to include different types of millets here, like ragi, rajgiran, then jwari, bajri. Okay, so it's also recommended to not have a raw salad during this phase, because as your body is already infected, we don't want any further infections. To avoid that, you can have your salad little bit, it can be steamed, so you can have your salads in a steam form. Okay, so this is all about with your lunch options. So okay, if you are facing a lot of difficulty to swallow your food, and so at that time it's always recommended to go for the soft diet. That means you can eat like a khichdi made out of rice, or even a dalia. Okay, yeah, apart from that, even you can have a roti soaked in a dal for a little longer period of a time, or you can go for a little like a soup of a vegetable soup, or a chicken soup, or a bone broth is also fine. So in the evening snack option, don't go for some kind of biscuits or stuff. Instead, you can have a handful of roasted chana. If you don't have any issues, difficulty swallowing, okay, you can have even the handful of makhana, or you can take a little bit of sprouts as such, or seeds like flax seeds, roasted flax seed, or sunflower seeds, pumpkin seed with 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon of peanut butter. Okay, this option is applicable, these things are applicable when you don't have a swallowing difficulty. But if you are having a swallowing difficulty, as I told you, then you can have something like soup also is fine at this time, or a buttermilk, or you can go for herbal teas like a green tea or a hibiscus tea or a chamomile tea. Okay, so in the dinner option, you can follow the same thing like a lunch, but always remember to include protein here as well. So lastly, what you can do is you can have a turmeric tea or a turmeric milk, that is a haldi doodh, according to your preferences. Apart from this, there are few things one need to follow, one need to remember during this time. Okay, firstly, don't skip your protein at all. Take protein in every meal, and how much it is according to your body weight, or that is like your body weight is 50, then you should go for 50 grams. If it is 70, then it is 70 gram of protein according to your weight. Okay, so please don't skip protein in your meal, and if your protein requirement is not fulfilled, get yourself a protein supplement. Don't forget on supplements as advised by your healthcare profession. Which are those supplements which one need to remember here is especially vitamin C, vitamin D, B12. Okay, thirdly, stay hydrated. It is a very crucial part. Even if with infection or without infection, one needs to have a good amount of water on daily basis, that is 2 to 3 liters. Fourth point one need to follow is proper resting time. Okay, so please don't compromise with your sleep pattern. Always sleep on time. What one needs to do, and what are the things which will help you in a speedy recovery and to have that good night's sleep is your deep breathing techniques or the meditation. This is one thing which will help you even to improve your immunity, and it will help you in your mental wellness also in this tough situation. So don't ever compromise on this. Please do at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes of meditation. Meditation is going to work wonders for you. Trust me on this. Okay, so at the end, what I want to tell you here is don't panic, stay calm, stay optimistic. This phase will also pass, right? So if you have liked watching this video, and if you feel you have gained a pretty good amount of information and the knowledge which was required, then definitely like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please share this to as many as possible, because this is the need of an hour. Knowledge is always a power. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye.